Welcome. Today, we're diving into something simple but really useful: how to view all your lists on WhatsApp. Whether you use lists to organize contacts, manage groups, or just stay on top of things, this quick guide will help you find them in just a few taps. Let's jump right in. First, open your WhatsApp app. Make sure you're using the latest version so everything looks and works just right. Once the app is open, you'll be on your main chat screen where all your conversations appear. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three small dots lined up vertically. That's your menu button. Go ahead and tap on it. When the menu opens, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can manage everything from privacy and notifications to your account details and chat settings. Inside the settings page, you'll see a number of options. Now, tap on Lists. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find all the lists you've created on WhatsApp. It could be broadcast lists for sending the same message to multiple people, or other types of lists depending on how you organize your communication. From here, you can view the names of your lists, check who's included, and make quick edits whenever needed. For example, if you want to update a broadcast list, you can open it, add new contacts, or remove old ones without having to create a completely new list. It's a great way to keep your message targets organized and up to date. Once you're done reviewing or editing your list, simply go back using the arrow at the top left corner. Everything saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your changes. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to view all your lists on WhatsApp. It's quick, efficient, and a handy little feature that keeps your chats clean and organized. If this helped you, take a moment to explore WhatsApp's settings further. You might discover even more tools that make staying connected a breeze.